I forgot Intel is down this bad. Intel's been having a lot of problems. You would think that AMD would capitalize, but no. Yeah, eventually it will go. I really like this setup here. I went big on this one, but well, it is what it is. Look at that weekly here. It's a weekly flag. Is consolidating near previous highs, right? It had this new base, basically, a small base. It tried to break out here, failed, shook more people out, found demand, and it formed a range. And at the time, Tesla had just gone. It was like, it felt like the laggard megas were gonna go. Because if you know this FANG index, right? Uh, you know what's in this, right? It's your Magnificent Seven, and then there's AMD, Snow, and there's one more. What's in here exactly? It's your Mag 7, and then AVGO, Snowflake, and uh oh, it's not AMD anymore. What? Am I retarded, dude? Snowflake AVGO? Wait, this must have changed at some point. It used to be AMD instead of AVGO. So Meta, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, Microsoft, Google, Tesla, Nvidia, Snowflake, and AVGO. But I swear to God, it used to be. Dude, what the? Okay, my Chrome just crashed. Well, hold on. I'll get there in a sec. So I thought all the megas were gonna go because Tesla had went prior, and this is one of my better trades this year. Like this trade, I was like, oh, all the laggard megas are waking up. But I need to look up, is FNGU the one with AMD in it then? Or did that change too? Yeah, FNGU still has AMD in it. So, okay. So I'm not tripping. So this, FNGU hangs. This is based off the FANG. Oh, you know what? This is the microsectors FANG index, not the same as the New York Stock Exchange FANG Plus index. So this one has AMD instead of AVGO. But anyway, uh, what are they saying? 7.3. Uh, no, not really. So this, what was the, what did I see? It's just really the weekly setup, and it's flagging at highs, and then it's a laggard. And I love stocks that do this. They make this like N pattern. It's just a big shakeout. Like Bitcoin did it, right? Dude, what? Fuck out. Do you remember the really good Bitcoin flag? Oh my God, dude. You can just look on BitX. But yeah, failed breakout. All right, let's shake it. It's just that's really good. Okay, here we go. Yeah, here it broke out, failed, and then tried again. That's a really good setup. Well, you should be happy when you get shaken out and it reclaims. You just gotta bite the bullet, but it's a good thing. Anyway, oh yep. But in retrospect, AMD was not that good for a few reasons. Mostly this candle is kind of this candle is not very good. Because it's the same size as this candle. What is it? 20% about 14%. Well, okay, whatever. They're both pretty big candles. And the volume was good here. Volume was good here, right here. Here the volume wasn't as good as it was here, and I don't know. There's a looser range, but you know this is not bad. If you ignore these candles, it's a good setup. And this candle is with the big volume on the daily. This is the big top indicator. Oh yeah, look, see the daily green candles just aren't consistent anymore. And at the same time, Nasdaq was already had this day, which was a bad thing. And Nasdaq had a sell signal here. If it breaks this weekly lows, that's like at least it's a warning signal. It doesn't always happen though, you see, right? Because here it goes back to highs. But when when indices are like extended on the weekly and they form this kind of doji, you should watch that. Better we look at NDX. See, look at this candle, right? It's got a pretty big volume. The same volume is here. All right, let's look on. No, as a composite doesn't have it, but yeah. So it's got small range doji, but has the same volume as this big range candle. So it's kind of an anomaly. You can surmise that something might be going on. Like it's high volume, low range. What does that mean? That means within that week, a lot of trading going on, but there's not a lot of range, right? So a lot of shares are being exchanged in a range, a very tight range. Read the Anna Cooling book. Anyway, I'm a permeable, so I liked AMD, but whatever. I thought it was going to go back to like 200 at least. And now you have this candle. This is kind of anomaly. It's not super high volume, but this one I don't like. This tried to reclaim these levels and got sold off on volume. Anna Cooling, volume price analysis. Replace the Minervini with that. I mean, if I just Darvis and Cooling are better than the others. In my opinion. And then Weinstein. Weinstein, Darvis, Cooling. I'm no longer telling people to read Bill O'Neill. But I mean, no, you can get to it eventually. You should read the Minervini and Bill O'Neill eventually. But if I had to pick three books, it'd be the Weinstein, the Darvis, and the Cooling now. And Anna Cooling is a babe. No, it's a Wizards is not a bad book. All right. I'm just saying I prefer the others. And Wizards is a good book aside from the fact that I think Minervini made more money off selling courses. Yeah, I believe so. Secrets of Profiting in Bull and Bear Markets. Actually, maybe I should read that Jesse Livermore book. I forgot he wrote that book, How to Make Money and Stuff. I'm just curious. But Jesse Livermore also like we all know how his life ended. You could be the most successful trader and still blow up at the end. Oh, what? I didn't even notice. Oh well. It's okay, I'll keep it for now, but I'm liking how Rocket Lab is shaping up. Oh no, I haven't read that book, but I follow Gil. I think Gil is hilarious. Yeah, it's at some point I might read that book or like the Owl Method because 'cause I'm not good at short selling. And I think that if I either have to like just be better at ignoring the market or learn how to short sell better. So, I mean, in theory, I can do it. I know how to like pick tops sometimes. I mean, not like spot signs of topping out, um, but execution is hard on shorts. Like theoretic, like for example, I don't know what a good example is, but like after this candle, I knew to watch the short, but after this gap down, I couldn't do it. Because then my signal was the low of this candle day. Because chasing here isn't good. I was in a short Soxel. And then the last time, what was it? I shorted Soxel here. I shorted it into the highs here. Yeah, that's what happened. I got shaken out like